It's a beautiful day in Car Town. Everything is busy and happy. Oh no! A big ship tries to avoid a small boat, but it accidentally crashes into a bridge pillar.
Yeah! Oh my god!
A train is passing over the bridge. Luckily, it stops just in time. That was very dangerous. A rescue locomotive rushes over and pulls away 3 train cars.
I like it. Come here.
The crane truck arrives to help too.
Oh my god!
It lifts 2 container cars and moves them to a safe place.
Yeah! Good job!
Finally, the crane truck carefully lifts the train engine.
Wow! Wow!
The train rescue is complete.
Let's go!
Now it's time to fix the bridge. The crane truck brings a new bridge pillar and installs it firmly.
Yeah!
Then workers place the bridge beams.
Good job! Come here! Very nice! It's my time!
Lay the road and the railway tracks.
So nice!
Last, they carefully weld the joints.
Wow! Good job!
The bridge becomes strong and safe again.
What's next?
The bridge is fixed. The ship can sail safely, and the train can cross again.
It's so nice!
Car Town is lively and happy once more.
Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.